Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. And today we're going to talk about a little gadget that someone mentioned to me, which I ordered online, which allows you not to have to use OmniFlop. Now, not that OmniFlop is a bad idea, but this thing here I believe works on Windows XP, 64-bit, etc. And it allows you to connect a floppy drive via USB and connect it to your, I guess, PC or Mac, up-to-date PC or Mac, using a USB floppy connected through this circuit board. Now this is called a Cryo Flux Personal Edition. I got the kind of premium one because the premium one comes with all of the full-on accessories. You get a power cable, which is not a UK one, but I can easily get one of these figure of eights. It gives you a power adapter. Power supply is 12 volt, and you get all this kit with it. You get a USB cable, you get a floppy drive cable for you to connect your floppy in, you get your Molex cable set, and I believe you can connect more than one drive because they give you multiple Molex. Now here's the cool bit. This is the CryoFlux. So the CryoFlux allows you to create ADF files straight from floppy onto your computer. So you can get your Amiga floppy disk and make them into ADF files without having to use a serial null modem cable, blah blah blah. And as you can see, it connects with using a normal 3.5-inch floppy disk drive, which is super cool. I am going to use this in a future video. Look at it, in there's a little circuit board with some instructions, and they give you some software as well that you can download. You can, it's all DOS based by the way, but you can use a normal interface. But as you can see, look, it's got the Molex connector in there, and from what I can see, you connect your floppy disk in there, and I think you connect your 5.525 drive, floppy drive in this bit. But this allows you to read and write back to disk. Now I want to see if this can work with Akai as well. Anybody out there ever used a CryoFlux for your Akai S950 reading of this? I want to try that. Also, I'm going to use this on my Mac running Parallels desktop to be able to archive my floppies onto my Mac. This is mainly rated for Amiga stuff, by the way. So that's the idea, is to get my Amiga discs and convert them to ADF. I believe this writes directly to ADF on the Amiga. So there you have it, guys. That's the CryoFlux. I believe this is some sort of license, I believe, because it's a sort of a embossed receipt. Yeah, so comment down below if you want to see more about the CryoFlux and what it does. I'd be happy to do a video on me experimenting with it. So that's it for today, guys. Take care, God bless, peace.